What's up, GNCRC? We're back once again with another video. Today's video is all about Shaka Hobbies. I want to show you some parts they sent me over for my Trail Finder 2, the mini Trail Finder 2 by RC4WD, the 1/24 size. They sent me out 3 different parts. They got me a front bumper. I have rock sliders. And I have, from what I can tell, is a rear bumper. Got to get these things installed, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it and let you see how I look. I think I posted some pictures one other time on another video, but they reached out to me. Well, I actually reached out to them and asked them, was it okay that I post some photos on my channel and the RC group. So the group, if you go into my description, you'll see you'll see the different groups I got in there. We have a RC 4-wheel drive Trail Finder 2 group. Go ahead and join that group, guys. It's a lot of helpful stuff on there. A lot of guys doing a whole bunch of different things. My rig is not customized at all. They got a bunch of different things on there that are completely customized. They really look scale. And you got people like Shaka Hobbies making parts for it to make the truck more desirable, to say the least. But once again, I want to thank you guys over at Shaka Hobbies. And I want to thank you guys, all my subscribers and supporters. We'll do another video pretty soon with these parts on there. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.